So how to verify your search console domain name? So this is my domain name. Let me select my domain name, and I will get this code when I enter my domain name. So I need to copy this code from here, say from number till the end, and then you need to go to your website. You need to install Yoast SEO, and after doing to the Yoast SEO, there is an option of site connection. Herein you need to select this site connection option, activate this Yoast SEO, and herein you need to enter this code, enter the code and click on save changes. Now again go to your this and click on verify button. So now you can see verification is complete now, and my website data is showing. So it is now complete, just completed it, so it will show up my everything. So I hope friends now you will be able to connect your search console into your website using Yoast. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.